don't know what to do. I'm afraid you'll turn away, but I'll say it anyway.
Pabili. Ito lang po. Thank you po.
Faith,
Joaquin. Hindi pa pala ako nakakapag-thank you sa'yo dun sa tulong na binigay mo dun sa feeding program. Sinundo ka kasi agad ni Natalie eh.
you're welcome. Anytime na kailangan mo ng tulong, sabihan mo lang ako.
Hindi na. Tsaka ang dami ko din naman kasama eh. Salamat na lang ulit ah. Una na ako ah.
I think I'm falling, falling in love with you. And I don't know what to do. I'm afraid you'll turn away, but I'll say it anyway. I think I'm falling for you. Whenever we're together, I'm wishing that goodbyes would turn to never.
Ayos ka lang? Nasaktan ka ba?
Oo. Salamat ah. May sasabihin ka ba dapat?
Yung piso mo.
Napulot. Lucky coin na to. Actually, sa'yo na yan. Pag naka 100 ka niyan, pwede ka mag-wish. Alam mo, Joaquin, wala akong ibang gusto sa'yo, kundi matupad yung hiling ng puso mo.
Thanks, Faith. Sobrang bait mo talaga. At kung may wish man ako, e-effortan ko yun.
Ang masasabi ko lang, good luck. Galingan mo ah.
I think